We are looking at how to pronounce this name as well as how to say more interesting and often confusing names from Greek mythology. So make sure to stay tuned for those. This is the traditional symbol of Hermes and features two snakes winding around an often winged staff. How do you say it? In British English, this is normally said as caduceus. Caduceus, an emphasis on that second "du" syllable. In American English, however, this is usually said as caduceus. Caduceus, a "do" sound here. Caduceus in American English versus caduceus in British English. And now you know. More videos here on how to pronounce more names from Greek mythology. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.